Good evening, guys. My name is Raz. I'm speaking from American Institute. This is 426 batch. And today I'm with Rehan. He has completed 1 month in American Institute. So today I'm going to check his grammar, his English, and all the things regarding, American. So he's ready to reply. So let's start, guys. So please watch this video. So, hi, Rehan.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also fine. So, what do you mean by Rehan?
Actually, my mother named my name, and the meaning of my name is the flower of the paradise.
Flower of paradise. Very nice.
Yes.
Are you paradise?
Not, sir.
Obviously, you are, sir, no doubt. So, when did you join American Institute?
I joined American last month.
Last month.
Yes.
Okay. So, it's been, I think, 1 month here, right?
Yes, sir.
So, in which batch are you coming here?
I'm coming here for batch 4 to 6 batch.
Sir, there are many institutes in our Barabanki. Why did you join American only?
Actually, my sister suggested me that you should join the American Institute, and the American Institute is the best institute in Barabanki for English spoken classes.
Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Actually, I'm not vegetarian.
What food do you like the most?
I like biryani.
If you get the chance to take biryani, so where will you go in Barabanki?
In Barabanki, I think there is not good place to eat to have biryani. I should go to Lucknow to eat.
right?
Yes.
What place do you like the most in Lucknow?
I like Akbari Gate.
Okay. If you want to purchase something in Lucknow, so what place do you like the most there?
I think Lulu Mall.
Have you ever been, have you ever purchased anything from Lulu Mall?
Yeah, I have purchased
What?
shoes
Okay.
from Nike,
Okay.
and last month I have visited there and purchased a T-shirt from the Zara.
Could you elaborate about your family, please?
Yeah, sure, sir. Actually, my father is a serviceman and he's in Saudi Arabia, and my mother is a housewife and she's also live in Saudi Arabia with him, and we are 3 siblings, and I have 2 sisters, and one sister is elder from me, and one is short, younger one. Yeah.
Rehan, everyone have a dream to be something. So what do you want to be and why?
I want to be a businessman, and because I am interested in business, I want to start up a clothing brand in the future. Yes, sir.
Do you have any best friend?
No, I don't have a best friend.
Why you don't have? Everyone have. Why you don't have?
I don't know, but because I'm not socialized with everyone.
Okay.
I'm antisocial.
Okay, so what is your experience in American? What is the way of like here to learn English?
It's a good place. Like if you want to learn English, you should come here and learn English from Raj sir, and he's a very good teacher, and you should come here.
That's very nice. Suppose anybody who's learning English, those who are watching this, do you want to tell anything to them how they can improve their English as a beginner if they are?
Yes, I think if you are learning English from the book, you cannot speak very well. If you want to speak English very well, you have to practice the English. You have to speak English in your daily life.
So my last question is that what's your qualification?
Right now, I am in 10th class.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't think so. You are telling a lie, I think.
No, sir, I'm not telling anything. It's a truth.
Very nice. What subject do you like the most?
I like English.
English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What? Who motivates you in your family?
My family motivates me.
Is there any particular guy or individual?
My parents.
So you are just you take money from your parents, like money, mother or father?
Father.
Okay.
Because he's a doing job.
Rehan, actually, nice being with you here in American, and thank you so much to be a part of American.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, very nice.